Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a LinkedIn password on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to open your LinkedIn applications. If you want to change your password, you just have to go to your account here at the top left in the corner. Now tap on the settings. If you're done, go ahead to this sign in and security. We'll see here the option which is change password, guys. Just go ahead and we'll see the three columns. The first column you have to enter your current password, and for the second and the last column you just have to enter for your new password, guys. Here I'm gonna enter it first for my current password. Now at the second and the last password I'm gonna enter my new password. If you're done, here at the bottom we'll see the save password. Just tap on it and we'll see here the password changed, guys. It's successfully. So I think it's enough a tutorial from me how to change a LinkedIn password on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.